you're seeing an error when launching Fortnite on your PC that says UEIoStoreSignatureError with the message, Pak Is Invalid, don't worry. This guide will show you how to fix it step by step. First, completely close the Epic Games launcher. Go to your system tray, bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Epic Games launcher icon, right-click on it, and select Exit. Also, make sure Fortnite is not running in the background. Next, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Go to This PC and navigate to the drive where Fortnite is installed. Open the Fortnite folder, then go into the Fortnite game folder. After that, open the Content folder, and then open the Packs folder. Inside the Packs folder, sort the files by size from lowest to highest. You can do this by clicking the Size column. Now, look for all files that are smaller than 2,000 kilobytes. Select all of these small files and delete them. Once you've deleted those files, open the Epic Games launcher again. Go to your library, find Fortnite, and click on the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Manage, then click on Verify. Wait for the verification process to complete. After it finishes, launch Fortnite again, and the error should be fixed.